One of our company principles is how can we make things better? This is our first Oceania Next announcement. And you're going to say, wow. Recently, we asked our guests, what would be your vision for the perfect new ship? And we were delighted to hear that, to our guests, we already have the perfect ships. Our 684 guests, Regatta, Insignia, Nautica, and Serena. We're ready to raise that bar even higher. So I'm very excited to announce that we're re-inspiring our ships in every way. These ships will be even better than new. This is the re-inspiration of our Regatta-class ships, inspired by our guests and the destination we visit around the globe. Artfully redesigned by the world's leading architects, all new guest accommodations, dramatically transformed public spaces, thought-provoking art, and zealous attention to detail will all blend perfectly to create the ultimate guest experience.
This transformation will be nothing less than amazing. From our crew, staff, and past guests, it makes us incredibly proud. The warmth and intimacy that these ships offer our guests simply can't be duplicated. They don't build ships like this anymore, which is why this re-inspiration project, which is part of a larger initiative called Oceania Next, is such an important milestone in our company history. We're maintaining the intimate surroundings and personal attention that our guests love, while at the same time setting a new standard of style, elegance for small ship cruising. We're combining what most would call the intangible Oceania experience, that feeling of warmth and sense of community, with an incredibly elegant new design and luxurious detail.
We're so excited to share this launch with our guests and travel partners. We've just gone into a whole new chapter and have innovated in every way, shape, and form. We're now looking into the future and the way that a guest wants to travel.
When our design studio first stepped on board these ships, we were so impressed by the ambiance and attention to detail. Not to mention how many guests came up to us and told us how dearly they love these ships.
Yeah, the suites and staterooms are the most dramatic in their transformation. They now feature very clean and sophisticated air, what you would expect to find in a very elegant estate home. The tones are warm and soothing, silvery grays and greens that are both bold and calming, along with sapphires and taupes. Richness comes from the pops of sienna brown, leathers, and the beautiful marquetry.
The public spaces are simply awe-inspiring. The grand staircase is crowned by this magnificent chandelier that's adorned by smoked and hand-painted glass. We also have a mural as you come down the staircase.
The grand dining room, of course, is simply a gem. Guests will now find it crowned with a glorious and shimmering new chandelier, which will really play off the bronze and metallic details in the upholstery. The entire room really will shimmer and glow.
We're really going to touch every single inch of that ship. From walls, we're going to do new wallpaper, new art, new carpeting, new tile floor, new bathroom. All furniture will be changed in all public area, in all accommodation. This will give the guests the feeling of more relaxed area, more residential area, which is what we want to project. We want them to feel at home, away from home.
We're extremely proud of this one-of-a-kind re-inspiration. We're taking the perfect ships and making them even better, even more beautiful than ever before. We're making them better than new. This re-inspiration is just the beginning, the first of many exciting announcements to come. We can't wait to tell you what's coming next.